beautiful people, welcome to my YouTube channel. How y'all doing? I hope you're all doing fine. So today, it's been long I posted. I've been busy. I know I'm always telling you guys that I've been busy, but yeah, I've been actually busy taking orders, sending out orders, and processing lots and lots of things, and trying to create new products for you guys. So there's a particular issue that has been coming up for a long time now concerning infection. A lot of people are complaining of infection, and if our infection products can cure any kind of infection. So I'm making this video to answer your question, and I'm going to post it on my YouTube channel so you all can watch and you have your answers. So our infection products can cure all kinds of infection. Our infection products can cure any kind of infection, and if you've not been seeing your period for a long time and you're having issues with that, our infection products can also correct that. So you can use our infection products if you have any kind of infection. It's very, very safe. And then we also have creams for all those rashes and all those boils. You have aftershave boils and infection rashes around the pubic region and all of that. We have a cream that you can use to clean it up, and it's tested and trusted. You can visit our Instagram page. You see reviews, and you also find other products we have on our Instagram page, and use our product. It clears all kinds of infection. It clears all, and it also washes the womb. It detoxifies your body. So if you've not been seeing your period for a long time, you can take it. It's going to bring out your infection and clear every nyama from your body. So if you haven't tried our infection product, and probably you've tried so many other products, it's not expensive. Our price catalog is there on our highlights. You can just click on it and you go through our products and services, and then whatever it is, just send us a DM on all social media platforms. We're on Facebook, we're on WhatsApp, we're on Instagram, we're on Twitter. So just send us a DM. Also, guys have their own package. They have products for infection. So if you're a guy and you're suffering from infection, or you have rashes on your private area and all of that, aftershave bombs, we have creams and products for you also. So guys have products, and there are products for women also. And for women who infection has affected their menstrual cycle, they no longer see their menstrual cycle. It's usually when you allow infection to, if you allow untreated infection in your body for a long time, you end up with your fallopian tube gets blocked. It could block your fallopian tube, and it could affect your reproductive system. It could affect your future of having kids. Infection products is very, very strong, and it's not expensive. You can check out our price catalog on our page, and you get all the information you need there. You can also chat us up, and we also, well, I think that's it. So if you love my video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you don't like my video, still like it and share and subscribe. Bye guys, thank you for watching.